Now, when we talk about finding things in Business Central and navigating the system, there is one thing that we must not overlook, and that is global search. Now, this feature, represented by the looking glass icon with the tooltip called Search, is aptly named as Global Search because it truly searches throughout the entire system. And the shortcut key for that is Alt plus Q on your PC. So let's just go ahead and have a look. Now, previously in our videos, we mentioned that if we want to go to the contacts, we can use the quick link, which is over here, and we can click on contacts. So clicking on it takes us directly to the contacts list. However, we can also use the global search. All right. So let's just go back to our role center. And then over here on the ribbon, we can click on the search icon. So by clicking on the looking glass icon, a box opens up asking what we want to do. So it says, tell me what you want to do, right? Now, you can either click on this particular icon or you can use the shortcut key Alt Q in your PC keyboard, all right? Now, if we don't know what we are searching for, we can click on Explore Pages and Explore Reports. So if you click on Explore Pages, this will take you to a page behind the role center. And here you can explore more roles. However, for now, we know that we are looking for contacts, right? So let's just go back again and bring up our global search and then look for contacts. And over here under pages and tasks, we know that this contacts is the list. So we want to go to the contact list. So let's just click over here and it brings up the contact list in Business Central. Now let's take a proper look at what the global search actually does. Suppose I'm on the contacts page and open the global search to look for customers. All right. So let's just go ahead and type in customers. Now, one thing you will notice is that I do not have to type the whole word customers. All right. So as soon as I start typing in, you will see that the search results will automatically start coming up. Of course, the more refined my keyword is, the better search result it is. So if I type customers, then we have a better search results because then it matches the keyword. So when I type in the word customer, different sections appear in the results as you can see on the screen. Now the first section is on current page. That means that the search area is the menu ribbon on the page and not some other part of the system. So here we search for all actions available within the menu ribbon. So for example, when I am searching for customer, it might find a function called create as customer. So you can see it over here. This is an action called create as customer, right? So if you go by the normal method, that means if you're on the contacts page, you can go to actions. Under actions, you can go to functions. And in the functions, you can go to create as, and that is where your function lies. So basically, as you can see, this particular action that we found is hidden in a submenu of a menu ribbon. And clicking on it is like clicking on the action itself. And either you can go from here or you can go through the global search. So basically, if we can't remember where a certain action is due to the many menus and submenus, we can definitely use global search, which is lifesaver over here, right? All right, so let's go back again to our global search and type in customer to see further sections. Now, as I said, the first section of the global search results show the menu ribbon on the current page or the list, right? So it displays three results for a better overview of the most important results that Business Central thinks. And also over here, it shows how many total results it could find. So it shows 5, and out of those, Business Central thinks that there are 3 important results. That's why it is shown over here. If you want to see more results, you can click on show all and see the other results that Business Central was able to find you via global search. All right, so let's just go further. Okay. Now, the second section over here in the global search is pages and tasks. So for example, if you click on customers, it will take you to the list of customers. And it also mentioned here is that this search result is for the lists page, right? And basically, this section of the search includes list, setup tables, that is usually for administrators, and tasks like cash receipt journals for, let's say, registering payments. And again, over here, you can click on show all to see all the results that Business Central could find using the global search. So if I'm an end user, I would be much more interested in my customers list. And maybe if I'm administrator, I would be much more interested in, let's say the reference data for customer price groups or customer discount groups, so on and so forth. Now, the global search also allows bookmarking items for quick access from the role center, as we saw in our previous video. So for example, if this shortcut is not available on your role center ribbon, then you can actually click on this bookmark and the shortcut will be available. In the reports and analysis section, you will also find a number of reports that are provided by Business Central, and you can go ahead and search for the reports that are related to your keywords, right? So for example, over here, I can go and see my customer sales list, and then I can run the report over here. All right. So if I click on preview, then it will generate a particular report based on what that is for. Now, additionally, the search can help find assistance by opening up the help bar with relevant links. So your keyword is customer over here. And if you click on search help, it will open the help bar based on the keyword that you have, right? So create customers or customer resource type or page customers list. So you can get all the help that you want. So, in summary, the global search is a powerful tool for navigating Business Central. It searches through the menu ribbon, pages and lists, and reports and analysis. It also provides faster way to navigate the system compared to using hotkeys or quick links. For example, if we have multiple pages open, we can quickly search for contacts and open the list above the current page. So basically what happens is, let's say for example you open customers over here, right? And let's say you went to customer record, and over here, when you are in the customer record, maybe you went to your outstanding orders. All right, so you can see that all the pages are being layered one over another. So if I have to go back to my original search, then I would have to close all these windows one by one. But with global search, the thing is that you can use the search icon right away. Let's say if I want to go to my contact list again, right? So I would have to close all these forms layer one by one and then go to my contact list. But instead of that, what I can do is I can quickly go to my global search, type in type in what I want, and I can go to contact list directly, and it will open up in above that, right? A pro tip is that basically if you are working with different pages in Business Central, it's better that you open that in a separate tab, so you can actually open various instances of different pages on your browser. Okay, so that's a faster way to work on that rather than moving around pages. So we can definitely work with multiple browser tabs, each displaying different instances of Business Central, which is ideal way of multitasking. So that is about global search. It's a very different and more advanced way to navigate the system. It's a powerful tool that I think you will be using again and again when you're working with Business Central. Now, even though it can find every page and list in Business Central, the access is actually restricted via permissions. So this concludes our lecture on the global search. We'll see you in the next one.